Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Wajiha's Choice. In today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful and unique Mehndi design that gives your hand a traditional and elegant look. This design is specially created for festivals, weddings, and special events. You can see how beautifully it uses semicircle patterns, floral touches, and bold outlines to make it look more artistic and attractive. The design starts from the center of the palm with a mandala-style pattern and extends gracefully all the way to the wrist. This design is not only beautiful to look at, but also easy to apply, even for beginners. Tip: after applying Mehndi, leave it on for at least 4 to 6 hours to get a dark, rich stain. Once the Mehndi is removed, apply some oil or balm to enhance and preserve the color. If you liked this design, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wajiha's Choice. Let me know in the comments what kind of Mehndi design you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Love.